World University Rankings 2026. University of Ibadan tops the list of Nigeria universities. Which are the best universities in Nigeria? And how do they rank globally? The newly released Times Higher Education World University Rankings 2026 has stirred up fresh debates. Today we dive into the numbers and the stories behind them. Introduction to the rankings. To begin, what exactly are the Times Higher Education Rankings? They assess over 2,191 institutions from 115 countries, using 18 performance indicators across 5 key domains: teaching, research environment, research output/citations, industry engagement, and international outlook. These metrics aim to capture the full scale of a university's strengths and global influence. So when we talk about where Nigerian universities land, it's against a very competitive global benchmark. Nigeria's top universities in 2026. Let's zoom into Nigeria. According to the 2026 rankings, University of Ibadan (UI) reclaimed the top spot among Nigerian universities, placing in the 801 to 1000 global band. University of Lagos (UNILAG) also landed in the 801 to 1000 band, making it the only other Nigerian institution in that top tier. Next, Bayero University (Kano, BUK) and Covenant University (CU) are ranked in the 1001 to 1200 bracket. A number of other institutions such as Landmark University, Ahmadu Bello University, Federal University of Technology, Minna, University of Ilorin, University of Jos, and University of Nigeria Nsukka fall into the 1201 to 1500 bracket. Finally, many well-known names: Obafemi Awolowo University, University of Benin, University of Port Harcourt, University of Calabar, and others, are in the 1501 plus range. In short, only 2 Nigerian universities cracked the global top 1,000. The rest are spread out across lower bands. Trends, surprises, and shifts. This new ranking brings some big shifts. UI's resurgence. In 2025, UI was ranked as Nigeria's 4th best university. In 2026, it once again leads the pack. Covenant University, which led in 2024 and 2025, has now been overtaken. UNILAG scored strongly in research quality, earning a research quality score of 66.7. BUK leads Nigeria in international outlook, reflecting its performance in attracting and connecting beyond national borders. Covenant University ranks highest in the industry engagement metric among Nigerian institutions, showing its strengths in partnerships and applied relevance. These shifts suggest that success is not just about legacy or reputation, but often about how universities adapt to research demands, partnerships, and global networks. Challenges and roadblocks. Yet the results also highlight deeper challenges. Funding and infrastructure. Many universities outside the top few struggle with outdated labs, weak ICT infrastructure, and insufficient research funding. Brain drain and retention. Attracting and keeping quality faculty and researchers is a perennial issue. Global connectivity. International collaborations, joint research, conferences. These help boost scores in international outlook, but are harder to maintain for resource-constrained institutions. Publication and citation impact. Producing research is one thing. Being cited globally is another. Many scholars publish locally, limiting global visibility. Industry linkage. Even where faculty are strong, converting research into industry partnerships or patents is not yet systematic in all universities. In short, ranking improves when institutions align internal strengths with global benchmarks, not just striving for prestige, but reinforcing capacity at every level. What this means for students and Nigeria's future. So, what do these rankings mean for prospective students, policymakers, and the nation? For students, if you aim for global competitiveness, attending a university that is more research active and internationally networked gives you an edge, but also demands more from you in terms of initiative, research exposure, and extra effort. For policymakers and funders, there's a strong case for targeted investment in research infrastructure, incentives for global partnerships, and capacity building in weaker universities. For Nigeria's global standing, Higher-ranked universities attract international faculty, partnerships, and funding. As more Nigerian institutions improve their standings, the country's collective reputation in research, innovation, and education also strengthens. Ultimately, seeing more Nigerian institutions gradually working their way into the top global ranks isn't just about numbers. It's about unlocking potential for innovation, knowledge export, and national development. Conclusion/call to action. The 2026 World University Rankings remind us. The landscape of higher education is fiercely competitive. Nigeria has bright spots, UI Unilag BUK-CU, but there's vast room to grow. What must each university do differently? What role do you, as a student or stakeholder, play? If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Because next, we'll examine how individual Nigerian universities can climb higher in global rankings. Until then, keep asking big questions and keep exploring.